Hello everyone, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and whimsydreamsclipart.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the background from a picture of yourself. This is perfect if you want to import yourself in your YouTube thumbnails or something like that. But anyway, I'm going to show you how easy it is. The only thing you need is Canva Pro for this, and you find a link down below in the description. And I'm an affiliate, just so you know. Let's get started. You go to create a design and you choose a YouTube thumbnail or anything like that you want to create your picture for. I'm going with an Instagram post just for the simplicity of this tutorial. Now you go to uploads and you upload your picture of yourself. I recommend that you upload a picture with a white background or something very simple. In that way, Canva has the easiest time to remove the background. You just click on the picture and let's expand it a little bit like this, just so you see what's happening. It's getting a little blurry because of the picture quality. But anyway, you go to Effects and choose this background remover tool. And you place yourself in the picture. Let's add a background so you can see what's happening here. Now we can add some text here just for fun, so you see how this works. So it's super simple to add yourself into a picture and removing the background. Just keep in mind that you use a picture with yourself in the foreground and a plain background for best result. You can also add elements, of course, to the background if you want to, like my wreath. Right click it, send backward. You can use this for so many things. So start experimenting, and I hope you create a beautiful picture. If you like my tutorials and find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Canva, please join our Facebook group. You find all the links below in the description. See ya in the next tutorial.